Hello stage 3s. Okay, today's science day and we are going to do something very exciting. So we are going to do a science experiment. We are going to make a lava lamp. So what you're going to need to get is some cooking oil from your mom's kitchen. And I'm going to choose 2 glasses because I want to see the different effects. But if you don't want to choose 2 glasses, you can just choose 1. So I've got a really big wine glass over here, and I've got a long glass bottle. But you can choose whatever you want. You can choose a long glass, or you can choose an empty bottle, you can choose a wine glass, whatever you have at home, that will work. Okay, you need some water. I've got a jug of water over here. And you need some food coloring. I've chosen 2 different colors. I've got green and I've got blue. And what you're going to need is some of these. These are called Eno tablets. Okay, you might need to go and ask Mom to get some from the shop for you if you don't have. Right, so what we need to do first is we need to pour some water into our glasses. We're going to pour around about half in the glass, half in the bottle. Okay, easy peasy. Then very carefully we're going to pour the oil. We have to pour the oil very slowly because, as we know, oil and water don't mix. So we're going to pour the oil in very slowly, and we'll slowly start to see the oil and the water separating from each other. Let's see what happens here in the bottle. There we go. So if you can see, I'm going to put it closer. You can see that the water and the oil have not mixed. So who knows why water and oil don't mix? So in science, we call this intermolecular polarity. That's a very big word. I wonder if you can say that. Intermolecular polarity. And it's because inside of water there are small molecules, and all these molecules stick together like a magnet. They like each other, like staying together. So they stick together like a magnet. And inside oil there's also molecules, and they all stick together. But molecules in oil, the molecules in water, they don't like each other. So when they meet each other, they don't join up. They don't like to party together. So they split up and they don't join together. So let's have a look at the word again. I wrote it down for you. It's a really big word. It's called intermolecular polarity. There's one word I want you to learn today. It's that word. It's a very big word. Okay, let's see what we do next. I'm going to put this closer so you can see what happens. Oh, I hope this works. So in our first glass, we're going to put 3 drops of food coloring. So this one I'm going to put some green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, maybe that's enough. Maybe that's enough. Oh, can you see what's happening? And then in the bottle, I'm going to put some blue food coloring. Oh my gosh, if I could open this, it would be great. My hands have got some oil on it. Use my shirt. There we go. Okay, so in the bottle, I'm going to drop some blue. Oh, this is going to be so exciting if it works. Well, that wasn't really a drop, that was like a pour. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, let's see, hopefully that's enough. Alright, now the exciting part's going to begin. We're going to take some of these Eno tablets. Now this Eno tablet causes a gas. So what's going to happen when we put these Eno tablets into it. Can you see the coloring is all going down to the bottom of the glass? It's going down to the bottom of the water bottle. Now I'm going to take my Eno tablet, my gas, and I'm going to put it in to... Okay, guys, can you see it started working here on our green glass? I had to put in extra tablets, and our green started coming up. If you don't have Enos, you can also use this powder called citrus soda. You can put some in. See what happens. You see the bubbles going up and down. Let's try it on the blue one. So we have our blue bottle here with our blue coloring in. We're going to put some of the citrus soda inside. It's going to sink down to the bottom. And let's see what happens. Well, that one looks cool. Turning it around for you. Wow, that one worked much better. So you can see the one in the long bottle actually worked better than the one in the glass that we tried. So maybe if you have a longer bottle or a longer glass at home, you should try it in the longer glass, because I think that worked better. And it keeps going, it's still going. You can actually see some little bubbles here. I'm going to put it right in front of the camera here. Alright, so I want you to see if you can try this at home. Make sure to video yourself. Sometimes the first video doesn't work and you have to try again. But keep trying and see if it works.